Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me slash vlog of what I do today since I'm hanging out with my friends. So I will bring you along to see how my day is and with my crazy friends. So I'm going to do kind of a everyday makeup look, but I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner today. So we're all pretty much hanging out today because we're about to start school back up. Which is sad. It felt like this break went by so fast. Like, I swear I just ended school like a week ago. We all haven't been to Disneyland together, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm like super nervous about starting school back up. Like, they should really relabel college as like best way to feel stressed out in your life. This previous semester was one of the hardest semesters I've ever taken in my life. By the way, I was using the Browsings. If you wanted to know what I was using. I'm excited at the end of March that I'm going to Utah to visit my godparents. They are the best people in the entire world. We're gonna go skiing probably, and I'm an okay skier. I'm not like a pro, like don't put me in the Olympics, please don't. And my dad's a good skier too, which like when we're skiing together, he's like, come on. I'm like, no, you go ahead. I'm like, I'll just take my time going down the mountain, because when I start picking up speed, I start like, starts getting me anxiety. I mean, like, I like to go fast, but when I feel like I'm going so fast where it's gonna be like hard to stop, that's when I start like freaking out. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna hit a tree. I haven't hit a tree though. Not yet. I'm like, I stress out every time I do eyeliner. I don't know if other people get like this. I'm concentrating so hard that I'm just like, my hand's like shaking, and I'm like Makeup by Michael Finch. Like, I'll tag him down below. He's so good at like the winged eyeliner, and he goes so far out. I'm just like, how do you do it so good and that quick? I kind of did a more than an everyday makeup look, but whatever. I like how it looks. And then just to give my hair some life, I'm gonna curl it. So I open the clamp and I just wrap it around the barrel. I don't put the clamp down or anything. And I do it away from my face. For this side, like I said, I take pretty much my bangs. Yeah, these are my bangs. They're not even bangs, it's just part of my hair. I'll leave that to the side, and then I'll grab first strand of hair. Like I said, take the barrel, wrap it around. I'm gonna sit there, kind of feel if my hair's hot enough. Now that I have my hair and makeup done for the day, I'm gonna figure out what I want to wear to Disneyland. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I don't know if it's gonna rain later tonight. So I'm gonna check the weather and then I will go from there. So this is what I decided to wear. I'm wearing this green like bomber jacket thing with a black shirt and some light pants with white Converse. And if you guys were wondering where any of this is from, the jacket I believe is from Target, necklace Forever 21, shirt Forever 21, the light pants, these are from UNIQLO. So I just want to let you know this video is not sponsored at all. Trust me, it's not. I'm just giving my honest opinion on this brand, UNIQLO, because I've always had trouble finding pants that would fit me correctly, and not until I found them. They have so many size ranges, like it's crazy, and the quality is super good too. I'm just letting you know because I've always had trouble finding pants, and not until I found UNIQLO, I've always suffered and just always hated shopping, and especially for pants because none of them would fit me correctly. But now I have my favorite place to shop for pants, and I'm never disappointed every time I go in. So check them out if you'd like. If you're tall like me, you won't regret it. I will link UNIQLO down in the description box so you guys can check it out if you want to see where I get my pants. So we officially made it to Disneyland.
Right now we're gonna.
Evelyn and Isaac.
Huh?
They should just use that for their. You guys should use that for your poster. It's your fault that it's closed.
Hey, let me see my workman shit.
Dang it.
Go fix it.
We literally had no luck. The first ride was like over 95 minutes. And then the Cars ride was closed. So, yay. There we go.
I don't even know. I love it.
You had to put your hands up for this.
Finish.
Give me your plate. Give me your plate. Give me your plate.
It's like African. She's like, oh, my leg, man.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now after going to Disneyland with my friends and having dinner. We decided to get Korean barbecue because Disneyland was very packed today, but we had so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and comment if you like videos like this. Also, I love feedback, so let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Bye.